Thumbs up this video if you be like, girl, what frontal? What? Okay. Thumbs up this video if you like, girl,
what frontal? Yes. Okay.
wig remix with the frontal. Might have saw my review. I had the bundles and I did the Ivy flip over method, but sister was like not feeling the blending because this is not my, you know, this is not my natural hair texture. I have much more Afro Kinky 4BZEFG. Okay, this is like a 3 something. You know what I mean? So I got me a frontal. I made me a hot glue gun wig with this as well. The frontal, I saw the reviews that it wasn't going to be lit and last long lasting, but I wanted to give it a try anyway. It did not come no type of pre-plucked. I've seen other reviews who said like the hairline was bomb. No, sister had to put in work to get it how it got. And then also hair of the frontal and the hair to bundles was all. What I did to get it to blend is the Denman brush, and I started to like, particularly around the frontal, twirled my fingers to like clump up the curlier to this one. But for right now you really cannot tell, which I'm shocked. 18 inches, all bundles. I ain't feel like cutting nothing. I did watercolor method it black. I did try to bleach the knots, but I'm not doing a good job of that. I'd be thinking I'd be bleaching it, and then when I put it on, it's like a strong discoloration, and so I had to put in work with makeup and powder to get it to get like this. Cutting the lace is not the best, so it was kind of a little ragged. So cutting it was kind of tough, and my middle part is so crooked, y'all. But we're gonna see how this wears, because this hot glue gun thing was like lit. It was very quick to put it together, and I drenched the wig in water yesterday. I was thinking like, okay, some tracks is gonna come loose, but none did. So this is good because this hair likes a lot of water. Yeah, I hope to do some more styles with it. I think I could do a half up, half down, but that'll be another day. We're gonna see how big it gets, because honestly I put like 2 3/4 of a bundle plus a frontal. So when I made the wig, I was like, oh, this is a lot of hair. I was so scared, like, okay, cool, I hope some of these joints some of these tracks do slip out. I want y'all to keep up with this Isee hair and this frontal. Y'all not proud of me? Like, look at this. Hopefully you don't look, it look good enough. It look good enough. I saved me some coins. Yeah, so we're gonna be rocking this for a few, so hopefully I can get my curly routine together with this hair and all of that. So stay tuned. All right, my lovers and friends, thumbs up this video if y'all want to see more updates on this hair. Okay. Thumbs up this video if you be like, girl, what frontal? What? Okay. Thumbs up this video if you like, girl, your curls is popping. Yeah. Thumbs up this video if you're like, girl, you did the damn thing. Okay, thank you so much for your my lovers and friends. Stay tuned, and I will talk to you soon and see you on the internet.